Next is to focus on preferences of the people in that region. Bawat region, iba-iba ang preferences. Hindi pare-pareho. Kailangan maintindihan natin na yung ating taste at preferences, bawat area ay iba-iba and therefore dapat iba-iba rin yung ating mga products, iba-iba rin yung ating mga services. Dahil the Philippines has 7,100 islands or more, kaya medyo watak-watak tayo at bawat isang barangay, kung minsan, or bawat isang province, merong ibang kultura. Kaya we have to cater to their needs. For example, if you are in a Muslim-dominated area and you have a food business, consider offering popular non-pork versions of different dishes para sa mga Muslim because bawal sa kanila yung kumain ng merong baboy. Kahit na yung iba, no, they are so strict that they do not even want to eat in a restaurant that serves pork because syempre pag hinuhugasan daw yung pinggan ay nagkakasama-sama. We need to be sensitive to these things. Yung iba nga, just for the restaurants to be appealing to the Muslims, they really do not serve pork at all.